हेलो, willkommen, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते. Guys, thanks for viewing my last video of unboxing and first impression of the Byju's Learning Kit. I am extremely disappointed with my last video. In my excitement, I forgot to add the conclusion clip. I assure you, my dear YouTube family, in future I would check and recheck my videos before uploading. In near future, I would be coming up with a detailed review video of Byju's Learning Kit, and it would be more of a long-term review and not a first impression, and now I am working on it. Before I proceed, I must tell you that I don't advertise products here. This is not a paid promotion nor a free ones as well. My channel is a lifestyle channel and a tech channel where I would be reviewing and unboxing tech stuff that I intend to use. The wait ends. Today we unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max, Apple Watch Series 6 and AirPods Pro. So let's dive in. In lockdown, we all have gained weight, and it seems that Tim Cook sent Apple packaging box for a hardcore workout, and the results are this: slim and trim, handsome box.
So handsome, it's your turn to get in shape now.
Yes, Mama Lisa, I'll work on that also. So let's open this beautiful piece of elegance. Over here, we can see the phone. I actually like the industrial design, and most of the reviewers have said that the design resembles to that of the iPad Pro and the new iPad Air. But I think while designing the iPhone 12 lineup, the inspiration was taken from iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S. Okay, so let's keep the phone aside for a while. Oh, अच्छा, sorry. Phone नीचे नहीं रखना है. Okay, so over here we can see designed by Apple in California. And in this we can find a SIM card ejecting tool, and you can find some paperwork and a Apple sticker. Must mention, when we work out, our calories burn, but when Apple worked out, they burned one sticker as well. Only one sticker. But it doesn't stop there. They also managed to burn the adapter also. Some people may find it difficult to adapt without an adapter. But you should get used to this, as other tech giants like Samsung are also following the same suit. Okay, so over here we can see a Type-C to Lightning cable. And regarding the brick, Apple is concerned about the climate, and I like their gestures to reduce the carbon footprints. So let's get back in the time. Cell phones used to come with the wired earphones in the box, and then came the trend of wireless headphones, and companies discarded the wired earphones. This was the first scenario. And looking at second scenario, which is of adapter, which is already gone, and I believe that the charging cable would also be removed in future, and most of the phones are coming with the wireless charging feature, so we should either ways buy a wireless charger for those. I have a suggestion for those companies who call themselves environment friendly, and they are environment friendly, but why to waste this much precious resource that no one even opens? Okay, coming back to the phone. On the sides, it has surgical grade stainless steel, and it comes in 4 finishes: silver, gold, graphite, and this one is the Pacific blue. Beautiful color, isn't it? Let's peel this off. आवाज तो आई नहीं. This sound is so satisfying जिससे मन का बोझ खत्म हो जाता है और सर का तान कम हो जाता है। यही सोच कर एप्पल ने सोचा कि जब मन का बोझ खत्म हो जाता है तो हाथ में बोझ क्यों बढ़ाना, तो इसीलिए दिस फोन weighs just 288 grams at 7.4 mm thickness. And the glass is made up of ceramic shield, which Apple claims to be the strongest glass yet from Apple. Glass एकदम मेरे जैसा ही है.
ओके।
Okay, so let's boot up this bad boy. Okay, so this bad boy is all set up, and before I proceed, it would be a wise thing that I should put this phone in case. And a quick reminder, this is not a paid promotion, and I have used these products before and they are really nice. फोन को चमकाना तो ठीक है, बट केस में डालना इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉस्टली इन्वेस्टमेंट. ओके, इट्स क्लीनिंग इज डन एंड नाउ लेट्स पुट इट हियर एंड लेट्स पुट दिस फोन इनसाइड द केस. Nice case. So the phone is inside the case. But let me peel off this polythene. Okay. Okay, so I have managed to apply the screen protector also, and let's put these things aside and let's get back to the main task. So the next focus area is the infinity pool of pixels, which is Super Retina XDR display with 3.4 million pixels, most pixels in iPhone display ever. It brightens up to 1200 nits and it shows deep blacks. So this phone is 5G ready smartphone and 5G is not yet available in India, so I won't be able to comment on 5G capabilities of this phone. And this phone has standard one SIM tray, and you can use another SIM as eSIM. Although it is a very costly proposition, but you have the option. Let's talk about the battery. The battery is 7% smaller than the last year's iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it has 3678 mAh of battery, and its closest competitor has 5000 mAh of battery, and the competitor is leading. But in this case, iPhone's battery gives up an hour early, so you decide on your own that which device is better performer, a device with smaller battery or a device with bigger battery. In my view, this one is a better performer. Talking about battery performance, here is my 8-year-old iPad, and if I shut down this at 50% and I boot this up after a week, it would boot up at 50% for sure. This is iconic. Next in the row is the MagSafe. This device is compatible with MagSafe wireless charging, and this phone supports turbocharging but only on MagSafe. Next up are the speakers. It's time to check the sound quality. By the way, this phone has stereo sound with Dolby Atmos. So let's check the sound.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like it.
Okay, so now let's play another song. This song was great in bass. Now let's play थोड़ा tribal वाला song.
Have your master social, man. Loyalty over royalty, I niggas know the vibes. Okay, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to the blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm on my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch.
This one also, one last song. माई फादर, माई मदर एंड माई लिटिल सिस, ये गाने पीछे एकदम जम के भिड़े हुए, एकदम प्रैक्टिस चालू है गाने पे उन लोग की। अभी डांस वीडियो बनाना है ग्लोबल चैलेंज के लिए। सो द साउंड क्वालिटी वाज रिच एंड क्लियर एंड द इफेक्ट्स वर अमेजिंग एंड even loud. Talking about water resistance, this phone has IP68 certification. That means all you rich people can take your phones in swimming pools and your showers. भाई इसको पानी में डाल के देखे क्या?
तुम्हारे गाल पे 2 थप्पड़ लगा के देखे क्या?
मेरे ने तो अच्छा है। Coming to security, which is the most important part, and the face unlock feature is 98% improved and 70% faster. With ongoing pandemic issue where everyone has to wear a face mask, there were unlocking issues, but Apple has been working on it, and I believe that in future updates that issue will get resolved. Here I would like to take the opportunity and request you to wear a mask whenever you leave your home. It's a small step towards becoming wiser and staying safe. Coming on to the camera, which is one of the biggest highlight of this phone. So the first lens is wide से ज़्यादा wide lens, ultra wide lens. It has 120 degree field of view and has 13 mm focal length. Second lens is a wide angle lens. It has 100% focus pixels and has 13 mm focal length. Third lens is a telephoto lens.
बेटा ज्यादा हो गया।
ज़्यादा हो गया, कम कर लेंगे। Has 5x optical zoom and has 65 mm focal length. And whenever you shoot a video on iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 Pro Max, it shoots video in Dolby Vision, and Dolby Vision allows you to record 60 times more color. Okay, so the next comes is LiDAR scanner. It is fast as light, but इस संसार में हमारी जबान से तेज कुछ नहीं है, संभल के रहना। By the way, LiDAR is a method of measuring distance by illuminating the target or object with the laser light. To conclude, let's bring out the mark list that this device manages to get. So the first is design. So I would give this 10 on 10 on design. So the design is so simple and it just touches your heart. Second is battery consumption. I would give 9.5 on 10. The third one is camera. So for photos, images, I would give this 9 on 10. And for videos, I would give 10 on 10. And packaging, I would give 4 on 10. Why 4? Because company like Apple is packaging their products so bad, it's very easy to steal and swap the products. And on completeness of package, I would give 5 on 10 because there are no adapter, there is no one sticker is less. Fifth is ease of use, so I would give 6 on 10, and seventh is sixth is compatibility with other operating systems. So I would give 6 on 10. And the second last is sound. So sound is 10 on 10. Last in the list is software support, and I would give 10 on 10 because still now iPhone 6 is getting updated. So the bad boy manages to get healthy 81.5% out of 100. That is mighty impressive. But we have Apple Watch Series 6 and AirPods Pro for unboxing. So let's take Apple Watch Series 6 first for unboxing. So भाई इसको unbox करो.
Okay. Here you go. आराम से.
पॉलिथीन है.
वो भी संभाल कर रखेंगे.
बहुत टाइट है. So we are done with the unboxing, and let's keep this aside and move on to the another product. The next is AirPods Pro. बार भी सेम मिस्टेक होने वाली थी पिछली बार जैसी. हमने सब पैकअप कर लिया है, लाइट्स पैकअप हो चुकी है एंड माई ऑल गेयर्स आर पैक्ड अप एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी 4:15 in the morning and I just remembered that I didn't record the conclusion clip. So guys, make sure you like, share and comment. It will motivate me and I'm making real good efforts to get good content to you. So signing off. Alvida. Namaste. Bye bye. See ya. My channel is a lifestyle channel. अरे फंस गया मैं. Okay. अरे यार वो भूख ही रहा है ना.
तो भूखते ही रहेंगे ना, उसका काम है भूखने.
Okay, coming on to the camera. Okay, coming on to the camera, which is one of the biggest highlight of this phone.